It's always fascinating to me to learn about the health benefits of common kitchen spices. We use ground cumin powder when we make chili, tacos, curry, or fajitas, which is often. In fact, cumin is the star in a whole host of Mexican, Spanish, Middle Eastern, and Indian dishes. This common spice has many uses and benefits as a remedy and has been well studied for its effects. Improves digestion. Some research shows cumin may stimulate the production of pancreatic enzymes and help digestion. This cumin, coriander, and fennel tea is my go-to for tummy aches and gas at our house. It's also good for anyone trying to heal their gut. Good for the brain. One study found cumin protects against memory loss and the damaging effects of stress on the body. It stimulates the central nervous system, which has even sparked studies about its potential benefits in Parkinson's disease patients. Rich in antioxidants. Another study evaluated its antioxidant content and found it more effective than other common antioxidants, including vitamin C. Some lab research found that it might even have a role in fighting cancer. May help balance blood sugar. Yet another study found cumin effective in increasing insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for diabetics. In fact, a study looking at diabetic rats given cumin extract revealed that cumin was more effective at reducing blood glucose and age production than glibenclamide, an anti-diabetic drug. Yet more research found that cumin extract reduced total cholesterol, triglycerides, and pancreatic inflammatory markers in diabetic rats. It even seems to stop excess weight gain. Relieves asthma. Still, more research found anti-asthmatic properties in cumin since it works as a bronchodilator and can help asthmatic patients. As an expectorant, it works to loosen phlegm and make it easier to remove. Helps colds. Natural remedies for colds often include cumin for its potential ability to speed recovery. It is a rich source of vitamin C and iron, both of which can help recovery. The essential oils in cumin also make it helpful for the body as fighting an infection, and as mentioned, some people find it offers relief from coughing and sneezing by drying up excess mucus. Skin care. It may not be the first thing that comes to mind, but cumin is also great in skin care recipes. Specifically, it makes an excellent face scrub when mixed with honey. It is naturally antibacterial and lightly exfoliating to scrub away impurities. A rich source of vitamin E, it also helps the skin repair damage and stays young looking.